Hello and welcome to this video demonstration. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily create cross-browser tests for AcuToWeb applications within Silk Test. We're going to use an existing demo application included with AcuToWeb, which manages an inventory for a bookstore. Then we'll test that application using Silk Test to ensure it behaves consistently across different browsers. So let's start by recording a new visual test in Silk Test Workbench. We'll select the Web tab and type the URL into the text field. AcuToWeb opens in the selected browser, which in our case is Internet Explorer. The recording sidebar also displays. Now we'll start to perform actions against the application. The sidebar shows these actions, and a green rectangle indicates the active control. At this point, we only want to record a simple workflow, which we will later enhance to a data-driven test. With our actions recorded, we'll now stop the recording and access the recorded visual test. We'll step through the recorded actions. The screen preview shows us where in the application we currently are. We have prepared a simple datasheet for our active data testing. So let's now insert some repetition logic into the visual test, which will be based on the data from our data sheet. In the Test Logic Designer, we can select to repeat a sequence of steps based on an active data file. We'll add our data sheet as a new active data asset, and we'll define the first row as a header. Then we'll give a name to our new active data asset, for example, Spacebooks. We can now specify that we want to end the repetition with the last row containing data. Our repetition does not repeat anything yet, so we'll now insert a .NET script that we've also prepared, which will verify the contents of the table. We'll select the columns of the active data file as input parameters for the script. When the repetition is executed, the script will be called with the current cell contents as the input parameter values. Now we'll execute the visual test after saving it with a meaningful name. And we'll execute the test on Firefox. The test verifies the prices of the books that are listed in our data sheet. So now let's say we want to change one of those prices. So let's open the data sheet again, and we'll change the price of the first book in the data sheet. We'll run the test again, this time on Microsoft Edge. When the test tries to verify the price of the first book, it will fail, as the expected value no longer corresponds to the actual value on the page. Finally, in the test results, we can see that one verification has failed as expected. And that concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching.